Hey everybody, it's Cathy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fall FabFitFun subscription box. They went ahead and sent me the box, and we're going to see what is inside the Fall 2023 box together. You can get a customizable box 4 times a year. And inside the box each season, you will have full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products that you get to choose. You also have access to exclusive flash sales to shop top brands up to 70% off, and all members have the option to swap their box for shop credit. So be sure to use my code CathyM20 to get 20% off your new FabFitFun seasonal membership. I like the FabFitFun box because I will forget that it's coming, and then one day it shows up on my doorstep and it's like, oh, it's like Christmas. I got a surprise today in the mail instead of bills. I'm excited to see what's in the fall box. I chose the items a while ago, so I kind of forget what I chose. So let's get into it and see what they've sent me today. So the inside of the box always has some nice inspiration written on it. So I did open these because I wanted to try them before I talked to you about them. And they are 4 Eucalyptus shower steamers. And I have heard a lot of people talk about shower steamers, but I've just been too cheap to buy them and try them on my own. So whenever I saw the opportunity for me to try them in the FabFitFun box, I jumped on the opportunity. So if you're not aware, they come like a disc, almost like a chlorine puck for a pool. And you put them in your shower, and supposedly steam is supposed to be activated and you're supposed to get like a spa sensory experience. Well, I tried this the other night. I followed the directions exactly, and I'm still waiting for the spa experience. I didn't smell anything. It's supposed to be eucalyptus. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put it directly under where the water hits. Like I said, I followed the directions on here. It says activate the steamer with water. Place it at the base of your shower floor in a soap dish, which I did, and then your shower is supposed to get steamy with this eucalyptus scent. So I'm going to give it another try tonight when I take my shower. I'll put it directly underneath the water, and maybe that will help. But the first one I tried, I don't know, it didn't work out for me. So maybe I did it incorrectly. I don't know. But let us know in the comments. Have you tried any shower steamers? And if so, do you like them? And if you do, what's your favorite brand? This is the brand Lujo Bar. So there's 4 shower steamers in the package. Next up we have this Alex and Annie cuff bracelet. And it is an emerald stone. It's a beautiful green stone. And that's what it looks like on. It's really cute and it's really pretty. And it fits my big wrist. My wrist is, I think, just a little over 7 inches. It's all bone. So the emerald crystal represents hope and spiritual growth, and it's supposed to bring you good fortune and prosperity. So it's kind of a cute bracelet, and I actually quite like it. Very comfortable to wear and easy to get on and off. And I don't own anything by Alex and Annie, so it was a nice way for me to try the brand. I think it's kind of cute. What do you think? So the next product is actually a full size of the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. It removes surface oils, makeup dirt, and impurities, and it's perfect for sensitive skin, which is what I have. So it's a fragrance-free, gentle cleanser with a sumptuous, creamy texture that removes makeup dirt and impurities, leaving your skin soft and supple without feeling tight and dry. I'm always up to trying a new cleanser. You know, I love skincare. Skincare is my jam. I have tried a few of the First Aid Beauty products in the past, and I have been very pleased with them. This is something you're interested in trying. It's a great way to try it because I imagine this on its own is fairly expensive enough, so you know the box would more than pay for itself. And next up we have a full-size Verb hair care product, and it is their Ghost Prep Heat Protector. It's a weightless moisture plus heat protection plus frizz control. I cannot wait to try this because my hair gets frizzy in the heat, and it's still hot and humid here. It's like 33 degrees Celsius today plus humidity, which is like unheard of for September. This will be a great product, and it protects your hair up to 425 Fahrenheit. So it has moringa oil, and it's a lightweight oil that tames flyaways, adds shine, and preps hair for heat and styling. So I'm assuming that you just put a little bit of this in once you get out of the shower. So you put a small amount into your hands and then apply it evenly throughout damp hair and style your hair as usual. Can't wait to try this tonight. I'll be sure to let you know what I think of it. So next up we have a pillowcase by the brand Silk. And it is a satin pillow sleeve that fits over standard queen and king pillows. So it is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and your hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. The front of the pillowcase is 100% polyester and the back is viscose and elastin. And it's in the color green. That's the back of it and the front. I have king size pillows and I don't think my king size pillow is going to fit in this. But there's the opening and it's nice and soft. I wish it was in a different color, but it's open-ended. Okay, I see what you do with this then. It acts like a sleeve. You put your normal pillowcase on and then you would put this over it, I guess, where you're laying on it. Not something that I would use, but if you're into pillowcase sleeves, it seems like a nice quality one. So next up we have this really cute, what they call a duffel bag by Alice and Olivia. It's really high quality. I can tell that the material is great. It has a cute little zippered pocket in the front. And then I'll show you the inside. Be like a great beach bag, or if you're going away, overnight and you just need to take a few things. There's also an inside pocket that is zippered. I want to show you this. It's really cute. They're really cute little, what do you call it? A zipper puller. It's a lady with sunglasses and red lipstick. That's really cute. So it also comes with a strap if you want to, wear it over your shoulder. And then it has pocket on the outside of the bag where you can put a bottle of water. There's actually on either end, there's a spot like that. And then there's like a snap where you can snap this down on either end. If you want to make it a little smaller and you could carry it under your shoulder, on your shoulder. I never really carry my bags like that. But I can tell that it's really, really great construction. If you need a tote bag, this is a great one. Very well made, and I love the fun design. Okay, so let's recap everything that I got in the box. And when I'm looking at the stuff, I think this was a really great box for the price. So I got this nice tote bag, and then we got the Alex and Annie emerald cuff bracelet, which is really cute and very comfortable. I've never had a cuff bracelet before. I'm kind of liking this. Then we have the pillowcase sleeve. And then we have the shower steamers and the first aid face cleanser. A full-size Verb Ghost Prep Heat Protector. And I've never tried, I don't think I've ever tried anything by Verb. I think my daughter likes them, so I'm going to be very curious to try this frizz control out because that is an issue that I deal with. So as you can see, this box was pretty good, and one or two items can easily be worth more than the cost of the box. And this, I hit the jackpot on this one. So the fall box has a value up to $300, and when you use my code, your first box is only $47.99. So underneath the video in the description box, I will put my special code and link. So use the code CathyM20 to get your first season of membership for only $47.99, which is 20% off. So thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me today on this video. And let me know what you thought of the contents of the Fall 2023 FabFitFun box. Thanks for watching. Bye.